Watch the clearance on the right rack. All clear. Bring it down easy. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the right. Steady, steady. All right, set it down. Lowering now. Watch your side. Okay, hold it. Move it left a fraction. How's that? Looks good. Settle it down.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Check the rear alignment. Looks good on this side. Settle it gently.
Check the alignment on Unit 3. Looks good. Clear to proceed to the clean zone. All connections secure. Voltage levels are nominal. Inspection complete. Ready for installation.
Terminal 14 is secure and reading nominal voltage. Okay, mark that as verified on the schematic.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. A little more to the right. Yep. Okay, set it down.
Bring it down slowly, maintain alignment. Clearance confirmed. Contact in 3, 2, 1. Secured.
Hold it right there. Down slow, very slow now. Okay, stop.
All right, try the front bolt now. Okay, this side is tight. Let's get the next one.
Okay, move it to the next one. Make sure it's seated right. It's good, hit it.
We have a discrepancy on the battery housing seal. Is it within the acceptable range for this model? No, it needs adjustment.
We're showing a 90% charge with optimal thermal metrics. Excellent. The staging team is ready for deployment.